Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome to my little YouTube world. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. It's the red button down there. It's free. I won't charge you. YouTube won't charge you. Join the family, support, watch my videos, and while you're at it, click the bell button so that you can always get notifications on whenever I post up new videos. And if you're an oldie but goodie, hey, what's up? Give me high five. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos and supporting. I love you guys. Okay guys, so without wasting any much time, today I'm going to be doing the crazy about food tag. So I was tagged by my lovely friend here on YouTube, Shauna, and so I am going to be doing the tag. I have the questions here. There are a total of 30 questions, which is a lot, but we're going to answer every single one. My hair did not just want to cooperate today. Anyways, that's by the way. Okay, right, let's jump right into the questions. First question, what food could you eat every day? What food could I eat every day? Honestly, I don't know. Like I get bored easily when it comes to food. Like I love to experiment, so I don't think there's a particular food that I can eat every day. There's no food. What's your favorite restaurant? I really don't have any favorite restaurant because 90% of the time I'm always eating at home. And I don't even if I do go out, I don't stick to like one restaurant. Most times it depends on wherever I am and whichever restaurant is close to me. But I would say the place Lagos here, I really enjoy their food, and like they have a variety. So most times if I go to a place that has the place I'm going to put up a picture of what the place looks like for those of you who don't know what the place is. So anyways, anytime I see the place amongst every other one, I tend to walk in there because I like their food. So I would say the place Lagos. What city has the best food you've ever had? I've not really traveled so much, so I can't say. I can't really give an honest opinion on that question, so I'll pass. What do you get on your sub? Sub is like a sandwich, right? We don't really have like subs here in Nigeria, so I'll pass with that question. Question 5, what do you get on your pizza? Pizza, normally I get, there's this veggie pizza that's Domino's Pizza. I'm going to put a picture of Domino's Pizza here too, just in case you don't know, but I'm sure you guys know Domino's Pizza. So anyways, there's this veggie pizza that Domino's makes. It's like packed with mushrooms, green bell peppers, I think it has chicken inside, I can't remember, and cheese. So basically mushrooms, green bell peppers, cheese. If I'm in the mood for like meat, I would put like ham or bacon on my pizza. So yeah. Is there a food you've always wanted to try? I think there's so many. Like I'm an ardent watcher of the Food Network, so like anytime I turn on Food Network and I see like different types of meals, especially like Chinese food, like all these, they are like is it ramen noodles? I don't know if the ramen I see is like mostly soaked in like water and stuff like that. So I would like to try ramen. There are so many. In fact, there are too many to mention, like honestly. But there are a lot of foods I would like to try, especially Asian foods. I would love to try Asian food. Question 7. Tell me about your worst restaurant experience. I don't think I really had any like worst. No, I haven't really had any like terrible restaurant experience. All the restaurants or all the ones I've been to, they're always looking for customers, oh come, their reception is always quite nice, so it's not bad. I've not had any worst experience. Question 8, who's the better cook, mom or dad? Mom, definitely. When my dad was alive, he never cooked anything, so it's my mom. That basically my mom and my auntie used to cook a lot in the house, so I would say my mom. Question 9, what is one food you just fail at making? One food I fail at making. I don't think there's any. Like for me, once I like see a recipe, especially if I'm watching like Food Network and I see a recipe and I'm like, okay, I could get this. Sometimes I even like to tweak a little bit. Like my mom knows, she's always my tasting person. Like once I just make anything, even if it's concoction, like once she tastes, she's always the one that tastes it. So I don't think there's anything I feel like making. Like if I try it once, you know, and taste it, if there's a little tweaking that I need to do, I do it the next time. So there's no food I feel like making. I'm badass like that. Question 10. Name your least favorite food. My least favorite food. I think for Nigerian food, my least favorite food would be oha soup. I cannot. It's not like I can't eat it though, but I just cannot stand. I'm going to put a picture of the oha, what oha soup looks like here. I don't know. I just feel it's just too watery. There's no life in the food. They now see like teeny tiny leaves everywhere. As in, I can't stand oha soup. A lot of Nigerians love oha soup, but me, if there's any other option, I will go for the other options. But if it is only if that is like the last option, like there's no other but oha soup. Question 11. Raw or cooked veggies? Well, it depends. There are some veggies I can eat raw, there are some veggies I can eat cooked. So it just depends on what I feel like, or how, or whatever the food I'm making, or how I feel like that day. So I could eat any both way. 12. How do you like your steak? We don't eat steak in Nigeria. It's meat, and our meat is cooked to perfection. Cooked, overcooked, and well done. That is how we eat meat in Nigeria. We don't do all this medium rare. Hell no. We cook our meat till everything is dead in the meat. So I like my meat well done. 13. Do you enjoy cooking or baking better? Well, it depends. I love both. Like I like to bake, I like to cook. I love to bake, I love to cook. So it really depends. I don't prefer anyone over the other, but I love both. I do both awesomely. Question 14. What's your fave fast food place? Like I said, the place, I will consider it as fast food. So the place, Lagos, I put a picture up before. So yeah, I will consider that as an alternative if I'm outside and I didn't eat anything that day and I'm hungry. Question 15. Name a food place you wish was closer to you. None. I don't really eat outside like so much. I don't go to like fast foods or restaurants so much. So I really don't have any fave fast food place or any place that I wish was close to me. If I feel like I'll just go above. None. Question 16. Ultimate favorite dessert. Flan. I think I love flan. Like I just like how wobbly and gooey it is. I'm going to put a picture of flan if anybody doesn't know. So I love flan. Oh my god, the first time I tasted it, I was like, that's how my eyes rolled at the back of my head. Then another favorite dessert I think would be cake and custard. Like a normal cake, then you just get like vanilla custard and pour it on top of the cake. OMG guys, that is like the best dessert ever. Like in fact, I have so many. That is amazing. That and eclair. Oh, don't even get me started on desserts. Next. What food do you gravitate to? It depends on my mood. Like I don't really have any specific food I'm like, if I don't have this I'm going to die. It depends on my mood. What I feel like eating, I eat. If there's no option, I just try to cook up something, and yeah. Question 18. Favorite food to eat at Christmas? As a Nigerian person, it's always rice and chicken. Like with Nigerians, it's like it's either it's fried rice or jollof rice or white rice and stew with chicken. So if it's not rice and chicken, it's not Christmas. Question 19. What's the first food that comes to mind right now? Because I'm starving, I feel like eating gari and soup. Like I haven't eaten anything all day as I'm talking to you guys right now. So right now I just want to eat a nice plate of probably like oatmeal swallow with soup. So anyways, once I'm done recording this video, I'll go and sort myself out. 20. Do you have any weird food habits? I don't know if eating your meat last is a weird food habit. I doubt if it's a weird food habit, but eating my meat last. Then I don't like to drink water in between my meals because I just feel it just interrupts the communication I have with the food, if that makes any sense. So I think those would be like the weird food habits I have. 21. What holiday is your favorite for food? None. Every holiday is basically the same food: rice and chicken, rice and chicken. Easter, rice and chicken. Christmas, rice and chicken. Like, Nigerians were not adventurous at all. Oh my god. So I don't really have any favorite holiday for food. Like, every holiday is the same thing. 22. What's one food you would never try? Honestly, I really don't know, because I've not really gone out of the spectrum of what we eat in Nigeria or some of the things that I make myself. But I would say one food I think I would never try is turtle soup. I watched it on Food Network the other day. They were making turtle soup. I don't think I can ever eat that. Hell no. Nope, 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 nope. Then there's a particular place in Nigeria, they eat dog meat. Hell no. It's only if I don't know. But if I know, no way. I'm not that adventurous. Thank you. I'll pass. Okay, then 23. Do you know your best friend's favorite food? That girl, I think anything that is food she loves. Like, Didi, shout out. So she loves food. Like, I don't think she has like a favorite food, but if you leave her, I would have to say rice. Am I right, girl? Tell me, am I right? I hope I'm right. But I would say rice. 24. What's the best thing your mom makes? Honestly, my mom is a badass cook. Like, anything she puts her hand into, like, she makes it well. So I can't really say like there's a favorite. Oh, there's this potato porridge my mom makes. I just remember sweet potato porridge. Kai. Just thinking about it now is even aggravating the hunger. That potato porridge is amazing. Amazing. That potato porridge. Then there's this, like, it's made with like garden egg and spinach. It's like a dipping sauce that she makes that you used to eat like boiled plantain or boiled yam. That is amazing too. 25. What's your favorite style of egg? Scrambled, poached, boiled, over easy, or sunny side up? I would have to say scrambled. I don't really like boiled egg. I'm not really a fan, but I think scrambled would be my best. 26. What's your favorite restaurant that closed down? None. I can't think of any that closed down. I can't think of any. 27. Do you like your bread toasted light or dark? I would say light. I don't like my bread toasted too dark, because at the end of the day, if it's dark now, I'll start scraping it. So like lightly toasted with a little bit of char here and there. Like, I don't want anything dark. I don't want the stress of having to come and start scraping. I don't need all that, please. So lightly toasted bread with a little bit of char. Question 28. Do you like spicy food? Like, I don't know if you're African, you don't like spicy food, then I really don't know. But it's not all Africans that like spicy food. But me, I love spicy food. Like, I can't go if I don't know if I'm the only person that this happens to. Like, if I don't eat anything spicy like in a day, it just feels like I haven't eaten anything. Like, I tend to like binge eat if I don't eat anything spicy. Like, I feel like constantly hungry. But once I like eat something spicy in a day, like, I don't get that hungry. So that's my own level of spiciness. I just love spicy food. Like, it's amazing. Then question 29. Do you like seafood? I'm mixed about liking seafood. Like, I've tried calamaris and it didn't really work for me. I don't know, it just has this weird taste. Maybe because I'm not just used to it. Then I've tried the mussels. It didn't work for me. Like, the smell and the taste was just very off. Like, But I do like prawns. I like tiger I like tiger prawns. I like, you know, shrimps. I love fish, you know. So I would say I'm mixed about seafood. There are some I like and there are some that I don't like, but yeah, I guess maybe if the mussels and the calamari are like properly cooked, I would like them, but you know, for now these are the ones I like. And last but not the least, question 30. First food that comes to mind that's green. I would have to say spinach. Is spinach a food? Well, I don't really care, but that's the first thing that comes to mind once I just hear the word green. Like, I really like spinach, and especially the fact that my mom makes this amazing spinach sauce, amazing spinach dipping sauce. Like, I swear, spinach, it's bomb. Okay guys, so this is my crazy about food tag. Yes, I love food. If you love food, be sure to do this tag. Also, I'm going to put a list of names here or here. Either way, I'm going to put a list of names here. Please ladies, indulge me and do this tag. Let's hear the answers to your questions. So guys, I'm going to put the questions in my description box, so if you are interested in doing the tag also, or if you are tagged in this video, you can always go to my description box, copy and paste, you know. So guys, this is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Let's get more foodies out there, and don't forget to subscribe to it. It's absolutely free. I won't charge you and YouTube won't charge you. Okay guys, until my next video guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye bye. Mwah.